Hello everybody and welcome to Cheryl Technology Channel. My name is Chris and I'm your host today. And as you can see in this video, we're going to be unboxing a couple things. The first thing is going to be a couple of fans. I opened the box and forgot to hit the record button on my other GoPro, so we're recording with my phone right now. A direct input into OBS. Maybe I'll do a video on that soon. So basically what happened was I ended up ordering a Unifi Security Gateway Pro, the 4, Gateway Pro 4, and I'd heard a lot of things about the fans were way too loud. So what everybody said that. They're like 70, 80 decibels, that's pretty loud. So they said to order the Noctua fans. So that's what I did. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to unbox this. And then the next video after that will be me installing the fans and then getting everything up and running. And it'll be probably a series of like 4 or 5 videos. So let's just get right into it. So I've already opened it. So let's open it up here. Okay. So basically we have one. Whoa. Camera got a little tipsy there. So this one here's the other one. So this is what they are. They are a NF-A4x20 fans, and there's 2 of them in the back of this unit. So if you look, there's one of them there, and then here's another one. So let's go ahead and open them up. So let's do that now. Let's go ahead and do that. There we go. That's better. So let's go ahead and we'll get right here. Sorry, it's very difficult to do this the way that this is set up. Y'all can see you have your screws here. So let's go ahead and get into this. Go ahead and take this cover off. We have our fan on these little feet are rubber too, so that'll help prevent vibration. So this is the model I have. Let's see if it'll. Oh, darn, this camera is awesome as crap, dude. So that's basically how that works. So you see how it's got the fan there, and then we have these little rubber mount things right here. Yep, we got 4 of these right there. Okay, 4 of those, 2. Then we have 3, and then we have 4 right there. Let's set these off to the side, and then we have our screws, so you can see our screw pack. Okay, then we have let's see, so these are our cables, our branch out cables, a Y cable, and then we have a low noise adapter. I don't know if y'all know this, but really the only way, and then they've got these little pinch connectors for telephone lines, or telephone wires, what they use those for, but it's a low noise adapter. See right here? So that low noise adapter will help to quieten the noise down. Okay, so there's one of them. Let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and open the other one. What do we got in here? What else? Some kind of paper in here or something. There it is. Comes with this little paper that shows you fan installation, how to do the little rubber things we pulled out of there. It shows you how to do that. And this company, man, they make some of the best fans in the world. Let me tell you. Roland Mossig is the Noctua CEO. Okay, so there's that. And then we have our other device here, our other fan. So we have our fan right here. Okay, just like that. And then we have our little rubber thingamajiggers. So we're just going to rip them things out of there. Y'all can see them right there. Right there. There they are. All of them. Okay. We're going to move all that over to that side. Got our screw pack. And this is all the cables and stuff that come with these fans. These are actually pretty cool fans. They're very quiet, and they move a lot of air. Our unboxing of our fans is done. So next comes the good part, and I may have to clear some room. This is the device. Okay, so it's about the width of a rack. So let me grab a knife real quick. Knife in hand. Let's go ahead and let's unbox this thing right here. I wish y'all that I had a better system, but I don't. So this is what I have. And I can make use of what I have. So let's open this. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is going to be tight. Okay. Oh no. The foam peanuts, bro. Hey, if anybody wants these, you can come get them. Okay. So this is ooh, boy, it's bent just like the picture too. So this is what it looks like. Crap. Let me move the box. Okay. I ordered this from a guy on eBay. He included the power adapter right here. He included there's the Unifi Security Gateway Pro 4. This is what it looks like. And there are the 2 fans that we're going to be replacing in the next video. So there you go, y'all. You got two LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN ports, and these are your 2 WAN ports. And you notice it's got a WAN port right here, but then it's got an arrow going over to your SFP. So you could do SFPs. Here's your console port. Simple and straight to the point. I love it. Okay, y'all, that's all for this video. And in the next one, we are going to be pulling the fans out, and we're going to be installing the new ones so that y'all know exactly how this is supposed to go. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. May the Lord walk with each and every one of you, and may he give you peace all the days of your life. And if you don't know him, reach out to me at CherylTechnology@gmail.com, and I will be glad to debate, talk, or just sit and talk to you about your problems. I will do all of those or any of those. It is up to you. Thank y'all for watching. Peace, everybody.